All right, drink we're about to make is called Southern Bubbles. Now we're going to take a champagne flute, and we're going to measure out a ½ ounce of Southern Comfort, our New Orleans peach-flavored liquor here. And we're going to fill it up with Southern Bubbles, our champagne. Any champagne will do. And of course, it can only be called champagne if it's from the Champagne area in France. So this is most likely some sparkling wine, but that's okay. So if you're looking for a way to enjoy a nice glass of champagne and kind of give it a little extra kick, make the champagne a little bit stronger, just add a ½ ounce of Southern Comfort and pour in some champagne or sparkling wine, and think of a good toast to raise your glass to later on in the evening. Bottoms up.